guys, it's Ro. Welcome back to my channel. Now today's video is something that I got a lot of requests for from you guys, so I am going to be trying on my fake merch. I went online and I found a bunch of companies and people making unofficial fake Rosanna Pansino, fake Nerdy Nummies merch, and I purchased them all. And there was a lot of interesting design decisions, and I'm going to try them all on for you guys, and we're just going to review them. We're going to go over it. Don't worry, Nerdy Nummies community, I'm well taken care of. My lawyers already know. They're already on it. They're cease and assisting as we speak. I just call them and I'm like, hello, lawyers? I'd like to sue someone, please. Yeah, there's fake merch out here, and it's fake and it's gross and it's fake. All right, but I'm also going to make a video about it. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. We can do that. Okay, bye. Now, before we get started, today's video is sponsored by me because I am having a sale for the very first time on my merch, my real merch. So go check it out on rosannapansino.com. Everything is going to be 40% off for 4 days. This is a great opportunity if you've ever wanted to get a hoodie. I don't know that I will have a sale again in maybe even a year. I haven't done one before in the past because things have sold out so quickly I wasn't even able to. And the reason we're doing a sale now, my first sale ever, which I am so excited about, is because we are switching distribution companies. The distribution company that I was working with is no longer, and now we are working with a new distribution company, and it lended the opportunity to do a sale for you guys, so I'm so excited. Also, to answer your questions, these hoodies, the classic Nerdy Nummies hoodies and the Smart Cookie, will be available in the future. I'm really gonna make sure that we do the classic designs, so those are always available, and some new ones that I've been working on. So I hope you enjoy the sale. Go check it out now. Again, I'll put a link down below to rosannapansino.com. Remember, 4 days. Only 4 days. Also, since recording this video right now with you guys, some of the sizes have already sold out. So I'm sorry about that, but things are just moving fast. I love you guys, and I hope you enjoy the sale. Now, enough about my real merch. Let's take a look at the fake merch. Okay, what have we here? A matching set. Oh, good. Okay, it's an XX small. This. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is a hoodie of my face. And not just one face. These are my faces from different events and photos that I've taken. Wow, they're all just like mashed together. Hey, Molly. Yeah. Come here.
Is this just your brassiere area?
That is just my chest. That's from the Ant-Man premiere.
I'm a little impressed by them trying to line up the stitching. They really did try to make it
Molly's impressed.
Seamless here. It's just a little off, but
okay,
I mean,
Molly, what would you say to my eyeball being in your armpit? I mean, zoom in on this. This is my eyeball is in your armpit. Now, this is really fun memory. This was from the World of Warcraft premiere. That was a great time. But then look over here. I look so derpy. Look at this face.
I mean, you look a little startled.
What camera am I looking at? To be fair, that's usually what I'm thinking at those events. There's tons of photographers, and I'm usually like, what camera am I looking at? Now, I don't think I would ever wear this, but I do appreciate that at least they took red carpet photos, like when you're trying to look good. And it's not their fault that I am a little ball of awkward sometimes at these events. That happens. That's no one's fault but my own. Okay, let me try this on. All right, here we go. Woo, looking good. Boom. Don't know which one of me is looking at you? Could be any of us. Now to complete the look, guess what Molly and I found? Ooh, matching leggings. As if this wasn't ridiculous enough. Oh my gosh. I mean, I don't know about the placement of all the faces on these pants. On the butt, it's my two chins coming together. Let's see how it sits on the tush though, Molly. Boom. Fake merch look number 1. Ooh, my fake merch look. This is hashtag ridiculous. It really is. Now on the butt, how does it look?
It looks like you have a tail.
What?
It looks like you have a little tail.
Looks like I have a tail. What do you mean?
There's like hair coming out of your butt.
There's hair?
It's like coming out of your butt.
In the seam?
Yeah, it's a tail.
It's my hair though, right? Like printed?
Yeah, it's your printed hair.
It's not cute.
It's cute.
But it's not.
You're like a A centaur.
I'm giving you centaur vibes. All right, let's explore some more fake merch. I see something here that also matches, but I did not order this. I think Molly did. It also has my face's print all over it, and it is this a towel?
Beach towel.
What? Oh my gosh, yes!
Bring it to the cabana.
I could bring this outside with me right now, go lay by the pool
I think you probably
with
should.
my new towel.
In the outfit you're in right now.
Okay, just gonna enjoy a little pool day here. Oh yeah, this is, I can sit on the awkward face.
You're totally camo. Can you put the hoodie on?
Oh my gosh, yes. You don't know which one's the real me.
No, but you have to have your eyes open. You're smiling. You're on the red carpet.
Where do I look?
Just enjoying a nice, relaxing pool day.
Mo, are you so jealous of my pool day outfit?
Wow, you got a whole lot going on over here, don't you?
She just goes a whole lot going on over here.
There's a whole lot going on
Mom,
over
don't
here.
be jealous because I have some items for you.
Oh.
More fake merch coming to
Now,
you.
is it my birthday?
Mo, happy birthday. The first thing that I've got for you is this.
Oh, you knew I like rainbows.
It's a see-through, if you can see in the sun, a Nerdy Nummies hoodie. It's very colorful and loud. And as you can see, this was my old logo that I actually baked out of cookies. And Molly, this was the old cookie logo.
Wow.
So this is so last season.
Woo,
And Molly, it's
really?
also printed on the front and the back.
Oh, nice.
Oh, double your money.
And it has, this feels like rope, like from a hardware store.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, wow.
Okay, so put this
Okay.
on. And while you're changing, take a gander over here at this. Also fake merch, but I'm also kind of into it. It is a towel rug.
Is it round or square?
It's round,
You could put that on a table.
but it feels like a towel.
Yeah, I think you could use it as a towel.
Oh, here you go. Okay.
Yeah.
Wow, that looks really good, you guys.
Now let's really get comfy, okay?
I feel really cool right now.
It's because you are.
Ripping that old logo.
Yeah, you're repping the old logo.
It's freaking me out. I don't know what to look at. I see like row eyeballs like all over. Even
You don't know which way's front. You don't know which way's front.
It's like such camouflage.
And Molly, look, does this feel like 100 Rosannas are jumping on you? Ooh, what's this next gem? This is not a towel. No, Molly and I found a fleece blanket. It looks like a press event step and repeat sign, like those signs that you stand in front of and you take your pictures. The logo is just repeating itself all over, and then it's like got a paint splatter background. And I have to say, Mo sews a lot. She's pretty handy with a sewing machine. And are you impressed with these stitches?
It's really terrible. The other corner has threads coming out.
It has loose, oh my God, look at these, loose threads. This is terrible. Now sometimes a little loose threading happens, but I can actually see the poor stitching. So sometimes threading does happen, Molly, a little bit, and that's natural. Sometimes that happens. But this is terrible. Oh my gosh, Molly, come stand here in front of me. Snap a pose on your press wall. Press event. Molly, do it again. Do a yeah. Nerdy Nummies event. Whoa. Cool.
You know what we need
What?
for our press event?
What?
A life-size row stand up.
Shut up. Okay,
We
so
need to open that one and do another photo shoot.
Mo found this. Someone online is selling a cardboard cutout me. This is it. This was kind of expensive too. So I'm gonna unpackage this. Okay, this is also a press photo.
Perfect.
All right, now this cardboard cutout of me says it's life size. So let's see if it's the right height. All right. I was also in heels. Oh my gosh, Molly, can you go get those heels?
It's a little shorter than real life.
Yeah, it is a little shorter because I have flats on right now and I am gonna put these heels on, but it's not far off. For science, I just put the same heels on that I had when I wore this outfit on the red carpet, and there is a height difference. Now, it's not a lot, but just so you know, if you order this fake merch, lies, this is not actual size. I am a full 4 inches taller. And with the bun, probably 5 or 6 inches taller than this cardboard cutout. So don't be fooled. I'm just kind of flattered that someone even would want to make this of me. This is so bizarre. Mike, how does it look?
Wow.
Does it look like a real press event? Molly, make press noises. Ting, 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 ting. Look over here. Look over here.
Bring it further over to you, bro.
What?
Bring it that way more.
Oh, why? Work it, work it, work it. Ting, 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 ting. Is this a, where do I go?
Rosanna, let's do a new pose. Rosanna, new pose.
You don't get one.
Your voice of you is different than your actual voice.
I'll never do a new pose. Great job, everybody. Great job, team. Wow, now this is something that Mo and I found. Not only is it a Nerdy Nummy Santa hat, but this is also has a little galaxy and it lights up. Let's get into the spirit of baking and holiday cookies. This looks like the saddest Santa hat. It's just so flat. There's no structure and the ball is so little, the little poof ball. I like how the lights are just like in one area too. Wait, oh my God, let's turn the lights off. Oh yeah, so dark in here. All right, happy holidays. Okay, let there be light. Oh, what's this we have here? You need to pack a school lunch. Here's a portable insulated fake Nerdy Nummies lunch pouch over here. And it's there's a lot. There's trees, there's flowers, there's kind of like quilted hearts, butterflies, there's a house on here, these little dolls, and then the letters are like tie-dye, which I do like tie-dye, but this is just a lot. This ages the design. It looks like something a 96-year-old would carry around. Not necessarily a bad thing, just, is this what people really think of my brand? I mean, look at me. I look like vomit, design vomit. Please tell me, interwebs, that this is not really what you think is going on, right? Or is it?
Bro, you look ready for the first day of school.
Do you like the whole outfit? It's complete with the heels, still are on. My heels are still on. Could you imagine if this was my school picture? Like, you know how they do like school picture day and I just show up and I'm like,
Buy my merch.
so this last one is a fake, unofficial Rosanna Pansino doll. Molly, we got this off of eBay. Oh my God, oh my gosh. Here's the big reveal. So this is giving me a little bit of Sally from The Nightmare Before Christmas vibes. It is very handmade. Now the outfit idea is great because it's a very iconic look that I wore. It's the outfit from my very first cookbook cover, and I get to see a lot of you guys dress up with like a red top, whether it's a tank top or a hoodie, and the matching red heart apron that my mom handmade for me and now we sell. So the outfit idea I do like, but everything else I do not like. Now we're gonna go into hair color. I used to be a bit of a brunette redhead. Now I'm blonde, which is brown and blonde. So hair color is off, but also I have white hair.
That's your balayage.
This is not balayage, Molly. Look at this. This is white hair.
Oh, that is nasty.
It's so much white hair. I can't even pretend it's cute. I can't even be like, oh, it's just Rogue from X-Men, like a little white streak or something like that. No. And it's a lot of glue. The neck is almost coming off. And I don't really stand up straight. All my legs are lumpy and the glue in the back, look at these legs.
Wow, girl, look at those legs.
I think it's glued together. Somebody got wild with a hot glue gun. That's what happened here. All right, here, let's just cover up all that mess. That's what the chef hat's for. There you go, girl. It'll be okay. It'll be okay. All right, that does it for buying my fake merch. This was so funny. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And a reminder, go check out my real merch. Woo! Because we are having a sale for the very first time. Everything is 40% off for 4 days. I'll put a link down below, rosannapansino.com. Go check it out. And thank you for suggesting this video. This was so funny. I had no idea. Mo and I were having so much fun. Look at all these crazy things. We had no idea all of this existed. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, click subscribe, and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. All right, thanks again. Bye, you guys. And if you'd like to watch any other videos, you can click up here or up here. All right, bye, you guys. Real merch, fake merch, real merch, fake merch, real merch, fake merch. When life gives you lemons, fake me tries to wear my real merch. That's what we do. Look, now she's a model.